Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use have got and has got. This is very common, especially in British English. I'm also going to teach you how to conjugate have got and has got in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. So we can use have got to talk about possessions, which are things that belong to us, relationships, body parts, and illnesses. We say, I have got, you have got, or I've got, you've got. He has got, she has got, it has got, or he's got, she's got, it's got. We have got, they have got, or we've got, they've got. For example, he's got brown eyes. He's got a beard. He's got short hair. And in the negative form, we say, he hasn't got blue eyes. It's very important to note that have got and has got can only be used in the present simple tense. For example, we say, Kate's got gray hair, or Kate has gray hair. Both of these sentences are talking about the present right now, and we are using the present simple tense. Kate's got gray hair and Kate has gray hair. They both mean the same thing. Has got and has is the same when we are talking about possessions, belongings, body parts, illnesses, and relationships. But in the past, you could not say Kate had got red hair when she was younger. That is incorrect. You have to say Kate had red hair. So we only use have got or has got in the present simple tense. Okay, so let's look at some more examples in the affirmative form. Again, we use have got or has got to talk about possessions. I've got a gaming laptop. He's got an expensive phone. Family or relationships. You've got amazing friends. She's got 3 kids. Illnesses or sicknesses. I've got a fever. Tony's got a sore throat. Body parts. They've got green eyes. He's got curly black hair. So now let's talk about how to make the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. So the affirmative form, I've got, or you've got, but the negative form is I haven't got. You haven't got. He's got, she's got, it's got. He hasn't got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got. We've got, they've got, we haven't got, they haven't got. And if we want to make questions, have I got, have you got, has he got, has she got, has it got, have we got, have they got? So let's look at some examples. They've got 2 children. They haven't got a dog. The mom's got brown hair. She hasn't got red hair. Have they got a cat? Yes, they have. And if I asked the question, have they got a dog? We say, no, they haven't. So what's the difference between have and have got? Well, have is more typical to use in Canada and the United States, and have got is more typical to use in the UK. Now make sure you do not confuse have and have got when you are forming sentences. So let's compare the differences between have and have got with these example sentences. I have a fever, or I've got a fever. Both of these are correct. However, you could not say, I've a fever. I've is not correct by itself in this context. You have to say, I have a fever or I've got a fever, but not I've a fever. She has a beautiful smile. She's got a beautiful smile. Again, you can't say she's a beautiful smile. You have to say she has a beautiful smile or she's got a beautiful smile. You don't have a girlfriend. You haven't got a girlfriend. Some people make the mistake and say, you don't have got, and that's incorrect. You don't have or you haven't got. Do they have a big family? Yes, they do. Have they got a big family? Yes, they have. So just keep in mind, if you're saying have alone, use do or don't. And if you are using have got, use have got, has got, or haven't got, or hasn't got. Okay, so now it's time to do some practice with have got and has got. Complete these sentences with the correct form of have got or has got. Some are in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Number 1, I, blonde hair. Number 2, Joe, many friends. Number 3, she, a hamster. Number 4, Barry, a bad cold. Number 5, no, he. Number 5 is the short answer for number 4. Number 6, my wife, big blue eyes. Number 7, you, any cousins? Number 8 is the short answer to number 7, yes, I. Number 9, they, a cottage on the lake. And finally, number 10, you, a job. Okay, so let's answer these together. Number 1, I've got, or I have got, blonde hair. Number 2, Joe hasn't got many friends. Number 3, she's got, or she has got, a hamster. Number 4, has Barry got a bad cold? And number 5, no, he hasn't. Number 6, my wife has got, or my wife's got, big blue eyes. Number 7, have you got any cousins? And the answer, 8, yes, I have. Number 9, they've got, or they have got, a cottage on the lake. And finally, number 10, you haven't got a job. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10 on this practice quiz. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click like. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more lessons on how to improve your level of English, and I will see you in my next lesson.